Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super easy and funny, and it's gonna be Baldi's school bus. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, to draw this school bus, we're gonna start out with the top section first. So from here, we're just gonna draw one big curve, and it's gonna go slightly higher on this side. So I'm gonna start down here, just gonna curve up. And then from that big curve, let's draw the back of the bus. So right here, we're gonna curve it down, and this one's gonna come straight down. Okay, so it's gonna end right around here. And then on this part in the front, we're gonna come in, so just kind of slant it inward and stop it right about in the same place. Okay, and then once we have that, let's work in the tires. So right here, just come in, and then we gotta draw one big, almost like a semicircle. Okay, and then on this side, let's start on the front wheel here. We're gonna come in, and then on this one, it's gonna be a smaller semicircle. And it's not supposed to be perfectly round, so it's kind of like a kid's drawing, all right? So don't worry if yours is all wobbly. And then once we have this, we're just gonna connect it with a little bit of curve. And then for the wheel itself, we're gonna draw one here. So a little bit lopsided. And on the inside. And then this one is a little bit smaller. And again, it's a little bit wobbly. Okay, and then let's draw in the windshield, which is really big, so it's almost very futuristic looking. So I'm gonna start here, just kind of come down, and just go out. Okay, and then let's draw in the doors first before we draw in the window. So for the door, just come right about here. Just gonna draw one line straight down, come across. So it's just gonna be a long rectangle. And then let's divide up the doors into two. And then on the window inside, this one's gonna be slightly longer, and this one's gonna be a little bit more squarish. Okay, and then for the front window on the side here, so these windows are really easy. So we can draw a line like this and just draw a rectangle. Okay, and let's draw one right over here behind the door. And then there's gonna be three more, so we can draw in the back one first. Just come to the back, just draw one, and then now we can just draw in two more over here. Or you can just draw in two lines like this first. That way you can just kind of see the spacing. So let's see, rectangle. And that's about it. So it's a really simple bus, obviously. And then there's some letters here. So I'm gonna draw in the bus first. So it's gonna be US. And this one's a little bit messy here, but I'm just gonna draw his name. I'm not gonna draw the Joe's bus. So I'm just gonna draw in B. Okay, B-A-L-D, and I think this is an I, right? Because I'm not sure, it looks like an apostrophe S. I'm not sure if it's trying to say Baldi's bus or Baldi's bus. But either way, you guys can probably tell me that. So that is it for this drawing, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.